Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Walmart and I hope you're having a beautiful, blessed, good Friday. You guys, it is time to get into some quick and easy all digital rebate deals. So I had no intentions at being at Walmart on this Good Friday night, but when I saw these rebates that were available when I was scrolling Facebook, I was like, oh, let me get up, let me put some clothes on, and let me get out of the door. So I cannot wait to show you these high value rebates that we have because they are oh so good. So with today's rebate shopping, we're going to be using three different things. First up is Ibotta. So we're going to be using Ibotta. So definitely get your app ready to load these offers. Then we're also going to be using Shopkick. Now with Shopkick, the deals are always time sensitive. So this deal will be good as long as these offers are available. But I would go on ahead and get to the store as soon as possible. And if you don't have Shopkick, go on ahead and download it and use my code STAR and you will get an additional $5 on top of the money that you're already going to get back for these. And then finally, we are going to be submitting back for this spend 50, get back 15 PNG rebate that is good on select products. So you do not have to get the same brands that I am getting. As long as you do offers that are included in this rebate, you can submit back for this $50. This deal does have a limit of 2 per household. Y'all, so I had to stop thinking about the rebates for a second because I noticed over here where I have walked to film, y'all, these hair appliances are on clearance. So like this baby right here, this teardrop one, it's $5.19. This is 75% off. Here is the barcode for this, and I scanned it with the app. It does scan for that at this store. And then let me show you some other stuff. So this Infinity Pro Cool Air system styler, this right here is $9.99, normally $60. Let me show you the barcode for that one. And it also includes the clippers. So if you need some clippers, y'all, look at these markdowns. They have some really good markdowns all throughout this section if you need clippers. So first thing we're going to be grabbing is the Olay Ribbons Body Wash. These are $6.97 and then we're going to be submitting back to Shopkick for 1,500 kicks, which is $6. Makes our final cost only 97 cents. We're going to do it on the ribbons and we're going to do it on the regular Olay body wash. Then we're also going to be doing it on the pump body wash as well. On all of these body washes, we have $6 back on Shopkick as long as it lasts. On the big bottle of body wash, we also have $2 back on Ibotta, which will also make that one just 97 cents, even though it's priced a little bit higher. And then for the Old Spice, we are going to be doing the same thing. So we have a couple different Old Spice offers. You can grab the Gentleman's Blends or you can grab the regular. I'm just going to be grabbing the regular Old Spice body wash today for $6.97. With the 1,500 kicks back, it'll be just 97 cents. And then we also have 50 cents back on Ibotta, which will make it 47 cents. Now this Febreze that I'm going to be grabbing, you do not have to grab this. You don't need to grab it. And it's not included in the rebate promotion. But I'm going to be grabbing it because it's a nice freebie. So we're going to pick up one for $1.97. And then we're going to submit over to Ibotta for $2.30 back, making it a 33-cent moneymaker. And everything that I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing it double. So I'll be grabbing 2 sets, but you only need to grab 1. I'm going to be doing the deal twice since the PNG rebate is a limit of 2. So I'll use my husband's accounts and use my accounts to go on ahead and double up on these deals. All right, y'all. So now we're done with the body wash and the personal care section. We're going to walk to the other side of the store to the household section to complete our rebate so that we can get $50 worth of product. Another clearance find that I'm grabbing that I saw on Facebook is these Beachside Breeze trash bags. So the 40 count is normally $10.98. That's twice the cost of the 20 count that's normally $5.92. This one right here, let me show you guys the barcode, is ringing out for about half price. So these are actually $5.82 in my store. In some stores, these are as low as $3.82 and they're not marked. I still have an Ibotta rebate for these for $2 back that's about to expire on me. It's only in my list and it's going to expire in about 6 hours. So I'm definitely going to go on ahead and get these. After the $2 back, my final cost will be $3.83 for these. Next up, we're going to be grabbing the Gain dish soap. So these are $1.94 each. We got a $1 rebate, making them $1.44 each after we buy two. And then we're also going to be grabbing these Mr. Clean Freak cleaners. We're going to get the ones with the spray on them. So these are $5.94 each. Two of them will total us up to $11.88. And then we'll get back $5.50, making our final cost $3.19 each. The Tide is going to be the next item that we're grabbing. So these are $5.44. I'm going to submit back for the $1 rebate, making it only $4.44. All right, you guys, so this is what my complete PNG deal looks like. I wanted to single it out so that it's very clear of everything that I'm buying in this promotion. So I have my Shopkick items over here. I have my Ibotta items over here. Now let me show you the written breakdown. So this is everything that we got on my little printout. So total is going to be $51.08. I'm going to get back $15 from my PNG rebate. I'm going to get back $10 from Ibotta. And then I should get back $24 from Shopkick. We're going to get back $1,500 times 4 for all 4 of these items, which is $24. Gonna make my final cost for all 9 of these items just $2.08. And with this deal, there's a lot of different ways that you can work it to make it even cheaper if you don't even want to pay the $2. So like with this Tide, if I didn't want this Tide, you could swap it out for like a 9 elements item like the dish soap where we have higher value rebates. I need the Tide more than I need more dish soap, so that is why I'm doing this deal this way. So just mix and match and make it work for you. So before I leave, I'm going to go on ahead and scan everything with my Ibotta app to make sure that I have all of these offers added. I'm also going to open up the Shopkick app. I'm going to see all on the body washes and make sure that everything that I want to redeem that $1,500 for is all still there before I leave, because y'all know how these rebates go. Make sure that everything is there before you go and check. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm going to be grabbing today. I'm going to do 3 transactions just because I like to keep my clearance separate from my rebate deal, so y'all don't get confused on my receipt on what's what. So I'll do the clearance separately because you may or may not be able to find items or even want those items. And then we'll do the 2 rebate transactions, and then we will debrief to see how everything worked out. All right, you guys, so I went on ahead and checked out with both transactions. Both of my transactions looked exactly the same. So subtotal came up to $53.05, and then I submitted over to Ibotta, got back $12.40. I submitted over to Shopkick for my $24, and then of course we're submitting over for the PNG rebate. And I went on ahead and submitted one of those just to make sure that all of these products did work for that rebate and successfully submitted. So we got $15 coming back there. So after we get that $15 back in that mail-in rebate, that will be $51.40 back for that transaction where we spent out $53.05, making everything cost $1.65 for this deal, you guys, including that Febreze. $1.65. That is incredible. And then my clearance went just fine. I did everything at self-checkout. Everything rang out for what it was supposed to. And I went on ahead and scanned in for my $8 back for my trash bags. So let me know if you have any questions, you guys. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. Go on ahead and get to Walmart as soon as you can to go on ahead and do this deal. Even if you don't want to do the mail-in rebate, definitely get these cheap Olay and Old Spice products on Shopkick. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful holiday weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.